Ever wondered what a person's first public appearance is like after a significant life change? Um, it can be a real glimpse into how someone is navigating things. Recently, actress Margaret Qualley stepped out onto the red carpet for the premiere of The Dog Stars, and it certainly turned heads. Before we set, we'll dive in. Please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button if you enjoy this content. Um, it wasn't her stunning black gown that immediately caught attention, but what was not on her hand. Margaret arrived without her wedding ring, marking her first public appearance since uh, news broke of her split from Jack Antonoff. The London premiere buzzed with excitement as Qualley and co-star Jacob Elordi posed for photos. However, a surprising choice made headlines. She chose to walk the carpet barefoot. It was a subtle but powerful statement, suggesting confidence and self-assuredness amidst personal change. Qualley's elegant gown featured a plunging neckline and delicate tassels, perfectly complementing her striking look. She radiated poise as she greeted fans and media alongside Ellerdy, who looked sharp in a navy suit. The event wasn't just about Qualley. Kimberly Garner shone in an embellished corset dress, while Una Healy wowed in a figure-hugging floral gown. Lottie Moss opted for a bold leopard print look, and Mylene Klass stunned in white with sheer detailing. Other stars like Brian May and Tasha Guri added to the glamorous atmosphere. Uh, uh, Pregnant Nadine Leopold gracefully displayed her baby bump, while Guy Pearce and Benedict Wong made dapper arrivals. The film itself, a sci-fi thriller called The Dog Stars, boasts an impressive $110 million budget. The story centers around survival in a post-apocalyptic world um, ravaged by a virus. And Qualley's split from Antonoff followed nearly 3 years of marriage and was confirmed earlier this month. Reports suggest that the separation was amicable, with no infidelity or trust issues involved. Um, it seems both are moving forward, each charting their own path. It's funny, isn't it? It seems, and sometimes ditching the shoes is the most grounding thing you can do, especially when navigating life's unexpected turns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you again.